to get a new batsman in right when this explosion is starting. Out he comes. And away she goes.
That's some miss hit, isn't it? What a beauty. Great use of the feet heels. It brings up his 50, but I reckon they could get 18 or 20 off this over. He's a big hitter, and now he's going to tap these. Great captain's knock. Old, 5 Yorkers.
In the air. It's a short boundary. And it's 6. It was a miss hit, a total miss hit from Dhoni. But he's hitting to the right end, and it went sailing over Simon's head. It was just in front of us. Simon's had no show.
Mid-off has gone back. He's gone straight ahead, and he's beaten long off. That is a big hit. It's a huge 6.
Well, we said he hadn't gone aerial yet, Dhoni. He has now.
And in grand style. Again, he's gone for the full shot. And he's executed that extremely well. And it's gone the distance. Can he carry on? Small crowd excited.
Down goes Dhoni. And it's gone a long way. Second 6 brings up his half century. And that'll end the over. 408 for 6. Down the wicket and way back over the top. He has got that out of the middle of the bat, and that is carried all the way.
Well, it's his third 6, but hey, is that a spinner bowling or what? Dhoni! Maximum!
That struck down the ground for 6. And what a way to bring up 100. A captain's innings here from Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and he's still not finished.
Class. Oh, class.
It goes again. He's got the height. Has he got the distance? Yes! Consecutive 6s. That's well struck. The bottom man coming into play. What a shot for 6. It went flat. And it went the distance.
Incredible. Here's Bradley.
The slow delivery is launched into it. And it's a biggie. But they need a lot more of this.
Well, I think that sort of pace is going to be, and the batsman will be a lot happier with that.
Well, he's looked for the maximum and he's got it. What a way to sign off. First 6 of the innings coming in the last ball of the 50th over. And 50 it is for Mahendra Singh Dhoni, the captain.
Down the figures there.
Out of his crease he comes. That's his natural game. He's gone from nothing to 6.
Played superbly here today. It's gone for him, and he's gone big. Right over, long off. It's gone all the way. Dhoni using his feet beautifully to the off spin and goes bang.
Watch the bounce, Barry, though, haven't you? And a big slog here from Dhoni. He's gone all the way over mid-wicket. And that's what we're talking about, the power from this man. Dangerous player.
He's got 3 overs and 3 balls remaining.
Now's the time. And he's done it. Shake of the head, a little in frustration as much as anything. But he's delighted 50,000 Indians here in the ground today.
He's got 20 deliveries left. Harbhajan's got to try and give him as much as possible. That's gone a long way.
Gone again. Another one. So he was kidding us all along. Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Gone this time. Got close enough to the pitch on this occasion and went through with a shot. That's 6 more.
I liked your comparison. Compare Dhoni to Afridi.
Here we go again. Not quite as far this time. This one will stay inside the ground, but it's 6 nonetheless.
It will stay dry this time. And now got a backward square. I've got a feeling there'll be a fair bit of chin music. Well, there's a fair bit of that going as well. That's a fabulous shot. God, John, I didn't think he got most of that, but he did.